Alright, today I'm going to show you how to get Equilinox for free in 2019. Just go to the link I will provide in the description and it will bring you to this page. There's a lot of ads, so if more tabs open, just close them straight away. I don't think any of them would be harmful from this site, they're just annoying. You want to scroll down below the top picture here and there is this button. Click that, close the first tab that opens unless you got pop-up blocker, and then you will be brought to Upload Haven. Very small download. Just wait a couple seconds, click download now, and your download should begin. Now, it won't take too long to download this, but I'm going to skip it anyway. Alright, now that's done, open the file location. You can now close your browser, right click Equilinox, and go extract to Equilinox. Okay, here it is. Now, you can put this on your desktop or you can put it anywhere you'd like to, but not really necessary since you can create a shortcut. You want to go into all the Equilinox folders and then you'll see Equilinox Windows 32. I'm on a 64-bit computer, it doesn't really matter. You could right click this and go copy, close it, and then paste the shortcut on your desktop. And it's as easy as opening and you are done. Well, I hope this helps some people out. Go enjoy the game. Oh, and I also forgot to mention, make sure you have the latest Java installed for this to work properly, because this does need Java to run. Anyway, I'll see you next time.